In a previous video, we used this stock chart here to look at how you can forecast where a trend is likely to end by using equal ranges. So now let's zoom in and look at this rally here, and I'll show you something very interesting that happened in here too. Here we are zoomed in on this low, and that's the low there that we looked at on the previous chart. This low here, that's it there. And the market had a good rally up out of here, little three-wave rally, and then we gapped up to here and we sold off, had a bearish engulfing pattern there, and then we started to head down. Now what was interesting about this pullback is, if this is a new trend, and you don't know if it's a new trend until later on, if this is a new trend, it's going to come back down here and it's going to make a low, typically at around 50% retracement or 618 retracement. So what I did here, I projected from here to here the retracement values, and we've got 23.6, 32.8, 50% and 618. And this market came up here, it had a nice three-wave rally, and it came back down in an A, B, C correction that came right down just past 50% retracement, and then it closed up above 50% retracement. So it came down between 50% and 618, and then the buyers stepped in and it started to rally. So I was watching this on the day. We'd seen this big pullback here, we'd seen this rally, it had come back down to 50%, and on this day I looked at this and thought, this looks like it's going to stop here. So I'll show you what happened. And here's the order I placed on the 10th of November, which was this day here. As you can see, there's the 9th, there's the 10th. So this is the 10th of November here. Here's the order I placed. I bought 200 Commonwealth Bank shares, which is this one here, at 74.44, which is just in here. As the market fell through here, I was watching a quarter-hour chart, and it started to make high highs and higher lows on the 15-minute chart. I looked at this and it was a nice little ABC correction into 50% retracement. As it started to rally here, about there, I bought 200 shares of this, which was just over $14,500 worth of shares. So I bought it in here, expecting this to be a counter trend low. Based on the 100% of the previous range into here, a nice three-wave rally, a nice three-wave ABC correction, and expecting this to be a third wave up. So I'm thinking this is wave 1, 2, 3 of a new uptrend. And the next day we opened here, we rallied up, we came back down, looked a bit scary that day when it gapped down here at the open and closed up a little bit, but then the market started to rally and away it's gone. So that's how you can look at a market and say, where is this going to go as far as the trend is concerned? 100% of the previous range is a very good place for a trend to stop. And then when the trend ends at 100% of the previous range and it starts to rally, then makes a higher low and it starts to rally up here, Gann always said the safest place to buy is the first higher bottom. The first higher bottom is here. So if you can get in near a first higher low in anticipation of the next leg up starting, you can do very well, as you can see here. So we're in at 74.44 and the stock is now trading at 80.27. So that's looking fairly nice.